In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw on TradingView mobile. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to open your chart, then you want to go to the bottom of your chart where you can see there's a bunch of different icons, and just above the Explore tab at the bottom, there's going to be the pen icon. Now, when you tap on the pen icon, you'll see here you have a bunch of different categories. You have tools, trend lines, etc., and this is where you can basically draw. So you can use any of these presets. You have like different trend lines, you have Gann and Fibonacci's, you have patterns, etc. So if I go and draw, for example, like a trend line, it's going to look like this. You have to basically double tap, and then you can, of course, create one like this very easily. That's the first way you could draw, but of course, you can also draw freehand, okay? So if you want to draw freehand, you want to go to the bottom, and then, of course, again, you can select any of these you want, but if you scroll up at the top, you'll find geometric shapes. If you tap on this, you have the brush over here, and if you tap on the brush, which is the first one, you can go ahead and draw over your chart and basically draw whatever you want, okay? So I can do, for example, I can even say, hey, for example, like this. I could go and draw arrows, etc., okay? So that's how to draw. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.